Okay, now where we left in the first part, we are discussing p-value approach. If you have your alternative hypothesis to be pi greater than pi naught, then p-value is probability z greater than observed z. Observed z, what you calculate in step 3, the test statistic value. And for HA pi less than pi naught, p-value is probability z less than observed z. And if it is pi not equals to pi naught, then p-value is, for two-sided alternative, p-value is also two-sided. So it is 2 times probability z less than or equal to z is a standard normal, so left tail is what is tabulated. So it's negative of absolute observed z. So this should be positive, then a negative, then 2 times that will give you the p-value. Then of course you compare p-value with alpha, and in the first slide we have seen when to reject H naught. If p-value is less than alpha, you reject H naught. Now rejection region approach. First you calculate rejection region for a given alpha. Calculate rejection region for HA, again pi greater than pi naught. The first time rejection region is going to be greater than some z alpha. If your alternative is pi less than pi naught, rejection region is left sided. If it is less than, this is less than, then it is z alpha. If it is not equals to, then you put the alpha into 2 equal halves, alpha over 2, alpha over 2. Rejection region is either z less than negative z alpha over 2 here, or z greater than z alpha over 2 there. And of course, going back for the right tail test, we put the whole alpha in the right tail. This value is z alpha, and this is the rejection region z greater than z alpha. For the left tail test, you put the whole alpha in the left tail, and that's negative z alpha, this is your rejection region. So once you figure out the rejection region, you take your decision in the rejection region approach. If rejection region, if the computed value or observed z value falls in the rejection region, we reject null hypothesis at that alpha, at that significance level alpha. And of course, if it does not fall, we do not reject null hypothesis. So we know by p-value approach, how do you take the decision? With the rejection region approach, how to take the decision. So just now we finished the step 5 of what you call decision step. Then comes the final step, step 6, conclusion. Now write down your write down the summary in ordinary words, not using technical words like reject H naught, do not reject H naught. Just answer the question in usual plain English. Answering the question. So this is for parameter pi proportion. This whole thing, whole process can be repeated for parameter mu. Mu is mean or average. Now here we'll see this step 1. Remember formulation? Alternative hypothesis can be 3 types. Previously we had the parameter of pi, now we have the parameter of mu. Greater than mu naught, mu less than mu naught, mu not equals to mu naught. Your right tail, left tail and two tail test. But null hypothesis, as you recall, always with the equality sign. This versus that, this versus that, or this versus that. But since it is better, this is less than or equal to, since this is less than, this is greater than or equals to. Okay. Now, step 2 for conditions to check. For using T distribution. Either large sample in greater than or equals to 30, or it's a normal distribution, use normal probability plot in Midterm to see whether the data distribution is normal or not. If so, if it is a T distribution, if the condition is satisfied, then you move to step 3 where you compute your test statistic. Safety distribution, move to step 3, compute the test statistic TS. TS for normal distribution is T, and this is the expression. You have seen that, read that in your lessons. And the degrees of freedom of T is n minus 1. Now, once you calculate your T test statistic, step 4 is use either p-value approach or rejection region approach. They are very similar to your parameter pi.
Right.
Hi, back again. My battery ran out. Not mine, my camera's battery ran out. But I already have written, so I'm going to use it to tell you the rest. So step 4, as you know, p-value or rejection region approach. Then step 5, you take the decision, either reject or do not reject null hypothesis. Same thing like your parameter pi. Then last step, step 6, you take the conclusion, summarize your findings using non-technical words, answering the question. Then for parameter mu only, we discussed 2 things: how to calculate power and how to calculate required sample size when a given alpha and power. For this, we used the software Midterm. You can do that. And also recall power is 1 minus beta. Beta is probability of type 2 error. Okay, I hope it helps you. Thank you.